Welcome to Marguerite Hall. Home to more than 270 first and second year students, Marguerite was the first residence hall at St. Louis University for women and the first to go co-ed. Now it's home to Micah, Living the Mission, a learning community focused on service, academics, leadership, and faith. Marguerite Hall has 8 floors. 7 are residential, offering suite-style rooms. On the first floor, students like to hang out in the Mug, a meeting room near the main entrance. The lobby area offers vending machines, a printer, television, and games, along with a 24-hour security desk. There are lots of spaces to foster community in Marguerite Hall, including lounges and kitchens on most floors, a chapel on the main level, and a music room equipped with a piano. All rooms in Marguerite Hall have the same floor plan that can be for single or double occupancy. Let's take a look. Each room has its own entrance, but 2 rooms share a bathroom with a toilet and shower stall between them. Our example room is set for double occupancy. When you arrive on move-in day, you'll find 2 extra long twin beds with memory foam mattresses, 2 4-drawer desks, 2 chairs, and 2 large wardrobes for clothes and storage in each room. So, what can you do with the space? All rooms in Marguerite Hall have a small vanity with a sink outside the shared bathroom, so remember that those are fixed in place when thinking about how you'll arrange things. In the double, the beds are bunked for extra floor space, and the wardrobes are movable, allowing you to place them together along a wall, or even in the middle of the room to create zones. Lofting of beds is not permitted in this building. If the beds are not bunked, lifting them allows you to tuck dressers underneath, or you can lift them just partway to have extra underbed storage. Mini fridge microwave units are available for rent through a university partner. You can also opt to bring your own or use the community kitchens. Large windows along one wall offer attractive views of campus. You don't have to worry about bringing blinds. Those come with the room. But you won't want to forget lighting, a rug, and some wall decor to make the space feel like home. Individual dimensions of rooms may vary, so check the floor plans at slu.edu for general measurements. What else should you know? Marguerite Hall has central air conditioning and heating. Free on-site laundry facilities are located in the basement. Surface parking is available nearby, or park in the Laclede parking garage. Bike racks are available outside of the building. Marguerite Hall is open during Thanksgiving, winter, and spring break. We can't wait to welcome you to Marguerite Hall. Still have questions? Learn more at slu.edu/housing.